Hello everyone! Today, I am excited to introduce you to a powerful software called Aster. Aster is a multi-user desktop software that allows you to have multiple workstations from a single computer. The software has received several awards and honors, including a gold medal at Fairtech 2018 in China, a 5-star award from the editorial board of the Chip magazine in the Czech Republic, and the Best Soft 2016 award from the editorial board of the PC magazine. This software can be used for a variety of applications, such as in education, gaming, and office work. In recent news, a school in Nepal was able to save up to 40% on computer purchases by utilizing Aster to create 23 Windows workplaces based on just 2 personal computers. News article link will be in the video description. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install, configure, and use Aster to create multiple workstations on your computer. The first step is to download and install Aster. You can find the website link in the description below. Open any web browser and search. Then, go to the download page. Click on download and wait until it's finished. Click on Open File. During the installation process, make sure to keep the default options and run the setup package with administrative privileges. After the installation is complete, you need to disable a security feature called memory integrity in the Windows security, which causes Aster and PC to crash. Follow my steps. You will need to restart your computer.
A few moments later.
Once you have restarted, open the Aster program. If prompted for an upgrade, click the OK button to start the upgrade process. To activate Aster, make sure your computer has internet access. Click the second option if you have an activation key, or the third button if you want to use Aster in trial mode for 14 days. If you are using the internet through a proxy, you will need to configure Aster to use proxy settings. Now you need to create a user account for the workplace you want to create. Click on Display Login dialog of the workplace and then click on User Accounts. Click on Add. Here you can create a user account with or without a Microsoft account. Fill in the required information and click on Next to finish. I've already created one. Select the user you just created and click on OK. Once Aster is installed and activated, you can connect all monitors and set their native resolution. You will also need to put all monitors in extended desktop mode. To do this, click on the utility panel and choose Project and select Extend. Here's my setup. I have two sets of monitor, keyboard, mouse, audio input and output device. You need to connect all of your hardware like I am doing now. Now, open the Aster control panel and click on the Workplaces tab to assign monitors and hardware for each seat. When a device is active, it will be enclosed in a blue frame on its image. You can easily assign monitors by dragging them into the rectangular area under the desired seat. By default, when you start Aster for the first time, all monitors and hardware are assigned to the first seat and some of them can be in the spare parts section. You can assign other devices such as keyboards and mice and audio playback devices. Simply drag and drop the device's image under the desired workplace. After you complete the previous steps, you can enable Aster by clicking the Enable Aster and Reboot PC button on the General Settings tab.
A few moments later.
After the computer restarts, Aster will be enabled, but Workplaces will not start working. You need to click the Start Workplaces button to start the Workplaces manually. Later, you can configure Aster to automatically run the Workplaces by selecting the desired launch option from the drop-down list. In most cases, the above steps are enough to run Aster Workplaces successfully. However, if you encounter any issues, you can check the following. Make sure that only drivers are installed for graphics cards, especially NVIDIA cards. For incompatible programs, see FAQ, Incompatible Software. Assign monitors in simple order, i.e. the monitor 1.1 on the first workplace, the monitor 1.2 on the second workplace, etc. You can contact their support by clicking the Request Support button in the Aster window. For NVIDIA GPU users, if you want to update your drivers through GeForce Experience or another way, it may fail. You need to click on Disable Aster and Reboot PC button in the general settings of Aster. After the updating is completed, you can again follow the same way to enable Aster Workplaces. In these gameplay recordings, you may see lag spikes. It caused because of my misconfiguration of OBS. But the gaming experience was very smooth. Read Aster User Manual for answers to any question that you may have. Wiki link will be in the description.